everybody, thanks for joining, guys. This is a quick view of the room where I'm staying at here in Washington DC. Here is the outside quick view where I'm staying at, and again it's early in the morning, 7 o'clock, and I will show you around and just to take you for breakfast as well and see what do they offer per breakfast. Let's check their breakfast. I don't feel like to eat, it's too early and I don't feel to eat, but I'm gonna grab a coffee and show you around. The juice machine out of service, the copy machine worked, thank God, and here you get some different options, different cereals, banana, apple, and more option for bread. Here you get also, if you want to make waffle for yourself, you can do that, and fresh juice.
Feel the goosebumps on my body come alive. Skin on my skin, oh.
Do you wear that inside or do you take that outside too?
Oh, just inside.
Oh, just the inside?
Yeah, I can't. I'm too big to be going outside like this.
Oh, it's beautiful. I like the color.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's really nice.
If this is a dream, don't wake me up. Before the curtains close, can I just ask you if you wanna take me home? Cause I'm away and need something to hold. Can I just ask you if you wanna take me home?
Okay guys, so that was a breakfast store and I did try their cereal. It was nice, but I don't feel like to eat. Like I said, I'm just gonna grab something later and I will do that. But again, I have to say their coffee, it's amazing. I really enjoy their coffee, and that's all I was wanted early in the morning. I can't eat, so what I'm gonna do, just finish my coffee quick and then head upstairs, and I'm gonna change quick and then we will go out because there's so much stuff to show you guys.
Think there's something that you're trying to hold inside.
Okay guys, so that was a lot of fun. The food was delicious and it was no crowd, so that's a good thing. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if so, do consider liking the video, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.